With great health come great responsibilities. You have to work harder to maintain it. You have to always be on your foot to look what you are putting in your mouth to stay in shape. You have to get a good night's sleep. You have to sleep at a particular time. That's a lot of work you have to put into. So that there's a choice. Either you can be healthy or you don't have to do any of these things and you can opt for a unhealthy lifestyles. Once a wise man said, ये शरीर जो है ये नश्वर है, अमर तो आत्मा है, तो बंधु जी भर के खा. There are more than many benefits which I can count on my finger of being staying unhealthy compared to staying healthy. Like just say if you want to stay healthy, you have to wake up 1 or 2 hours before your normal bedtime so that you can go to the gym, do the workouts. And on top of that, if you're having a day job, man, you have to wake up early in the morning 1 to 2 hours before. Just imagine if you wouldn't have to go to the workout, you can sleep 1 to 2 hours extra. How many? 1 to 2 hours extra in the morning, and that sleep is golden. I can't tell you how much I love that. Although when you wake up, you feel a little bit like it wasn't a big deal. You might have gotten a good physique and all, but hey, you are the person who is getting 1 or 2 hours of sleep extra when you are opting for unhealthy lifestyle. Second thing that you have to give up to fully or to almost a full extent is your eating habits. I mean, I can't emphasize this more than enough. When you are living an unhealthy lifestyle, man, you can eat whatever you want. You can eat whenever you want. You can eat anything you want. But on the contrary, like when I was going to the gym, I have been put on a diet. Hey, that's a healthy lifestyle for you. You have to compromise on many things on compared to an unhealthy lifestyle. You can eat whatever you want, anytime you want. I'm sure there are a little bit of side effect, but you can live with that, or maybe not. You won't be able to reach your 50s if you eat all the time junk food. But hey, it's better to eat all the junk food and die than rather not eating and living a long life. I mean, look at the bright side. You get to eat all the unhealthy and junk food you want as much as you want. Plus, you don't have to worry about your pension plans. You don't have to worry about your provident funds. You don't have to think about your retirement. You know why? Because you won't be able to live up to that. You might not be able to cross your 50s. And who knows, if you are lucky, and you have a lucky son of a gun, you might not be able to live up to the next year and go to Goa, which you have planned with your friends from your college days. But yeah, you might die soon enough eating all that junk food. Yeah, that's exactly the thing. Now that you have taken your meal plan and shred it into 1,000 pieces, the other thing that you have to take care is your workout routines. I know. So the first thing you have to do is, if you're going to the gym, let's just compare it. If you're going to the gym, you go to the gym, you waste 1 to 2 hours, you get sore due to doing all the exercises. On the contrary, if you are having an unhealthy lifestyle, you get to sleep 2 hours extra, plus your body doesn't get sore. I mean, sure, there are a little bit of advantages of doing workout, like you get fit, you get a great shape, you get a little bit of boost of confidence due to your great shape, and due to your boost of confidence, you are able to get the girl you were thinking about talking or going for a date. And the girl tells you why she is with you is the only reason is because the way you carry yourself now and how confident you are. That's the reason she is with you. But hey, you are not that person. You are the person who wants to eat Maggie at 3 a.m. in your room watching a TV series which you are watching for the second time. Yeah, exactly. That's the person you want to be. You have to have an unhealthy lifestyle. You are waking up at 12 a.m. in the noon, sleeping 4 a.m. in the morning. This is the lifestyle that should be, so that you can see all the things around the globe on internet rather than going on those places. And now talking about disadvantages of the gym, as I've already told you, whenever you go to the gym, you do the workout, there's a little bit of soreness over yourself. And I'm being fair here. I'm just telling you, it's not a bad thing compared to the soreness. But if you're just sitting there playing games all the time, just watching TV series, you might get a tummy. Yeah, you heard me right. You might get a tummy, and whenever you sit, you will feel that tummy. And let's say if for some reason you have taken new resolution that you have to go to the gym, and after hitting gym 2 to 3 times, you realize that it's not a thing for you. I mean, you already started getting all the soreness and the pain in your joints and all. What do? Because of your ego or the self-commitment that you made, you will go to the gym. What can you do? I'm here for that. I'll help you regarding that. So what you can do is just go to the gym. Waste as much as time you can talking to the people around the gym and all, reception people, all the trainers and all. Do the bullshit. And if you still get time, just use that time to do the stretching. The only side effect of that would be you won't be losing weight or gaining any muscle in the period of time, and you might also put on some extra weight, as you will be thinking that you are going to the gym, you will have a little bit more food, just okay, I'm going to the gym, I can take a little bit more calories, but that will end up even you bulking more or getting less muscles. But whom we are kidding? You have already lost that vision when you started eating Maggie at 3 in the night, watching a TV series which you have already watched one time. Yeah, second run it is. As I stated in my video, with great health come great responsibilities. I mean, sure, at some point you have met a guy or a girl who was exactly just like you, and within a span of a year or year and a half, she looks entirely different. Why? Because she hit the workout again and again for the whole entire year. And now people have started recognizing her good physique, her confidence she is carrying herself to, and suddenly you started realizing she getting more opportunities at the office or the business, and you think in your mind, she just got lucky. She just got lucky. So rather becoming that person who put up the work and do all the things which are hectic, I know, you can be a better man. You can just sit in your room eating Maggie at 3 a.m, watching a TV series second time, and might be this time third time, and complaining she just got lucky. If you would have a chance, you would have made to that position or the business that she wanted or you wanted. So guys, hope this point will help you evaluate the person you want to become. Either you want to become a person who go to the gym, be so little bit, get all the work done, get all the jobs, get all the girls, and do a little bit more stuff. I mean, I just saying it all is tiring. Yeah, I mean, you will be successful by the time you are including this in your habits, but either you can become a person who is unsuccessful, be the unhealthiest person, do nothing at all, be the same person you were 3 years before. Guys, consistency. This is the consistency you have to maintain, and you will be the person 10 years from now eating Maggie at 3 a.m. alone, watching that TV series for the 10th time because hey, you don't have anything to do. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any other things that you do to remain unhealthy, just let me and other people know in the comments down below. Hope you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more videos like these, just subscribe it and hit the bell icon. It will help me grow a little bit, and I will be here with more interesting videos like how to not go to the gym, how to not do the projects, and you can give me ideas too, what type of videos you want to see in future. Let me know in the comments down below. Till the next video. Am I being a successful person here? Guys, as an unhealthy person community, till the next time, I'm going to eat as much as I can. See you in the next video. Bye.